Hey, what is up? This is Rob from Panther, and today we're going to take a look at this simple spraying technique in Photoshop. Also, if you want to learn how to make all these videos here in these examples and push your skills to the next level, I launched my Patreon page where I uploaded a bunch of these advanced tutorials. If you want to check them out, you can click the link in the description and access Patreon premium content, where you can access a bunch of high quality images and tutorials. Step number 1, select the type tool, type in whatever you want, press Ctrl T, press and hold Alt, scale it up. Let's go to the text blend mode and we're going to switch it to dissolve. And from here, we're going to go to the filters, blur gallery, and select field blur. Select convert to smart object. And here you can see it's going to create this grainy spray effect. All you need to move these dots around. You can increase or decrease the blurriness. And I'm going to click here also, and I'm going to decrease to 0. So it's going to spray it only in this section. And you can add as much as these blur circles as you want. I'm going to speed this up. Look at this. This looks amazing. I'm going to click on OK here. From here, I'm going to press and hold Shift, select the text and also the layer with the background. Right click and select Convert to Smart Object. Now we're going to go to the filter, noise, and add noise. Make sure it's on monochrome and increase the amount. I'm going to go with 13-ish, something like that. And this is how you make this grainy spray paint effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.